In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Form to hosting a website builder. By the end, you'll have your form embedded right on your site so visitors can fill it out without leaving the page. This is perfect for contact forms, surveys, registrations, or any quick data collection you need. First, go to Google Forms, open your browser and head to the Google Forms homepage. Make sure you're signed into the Google account where your form lives. If you've already created your form, you're all set. If not, you can create one beforehand so you have something ready to embed. Next, in Google Forms, look at your recent forms and click the one you want to add to your website. This opens the form editor. Take a quick moment to confirm the title, description, and questions look the way you want them to appear on your site. Any changes you make here will reflect wherever the form is embedded. Now click the three dots at the top right of the form editor to open the additional options menu. This menu gives you extra actions related to your form. From there, choose the option to embed HTML. This will generate the embed code you need to place the form on your website. You'll see a code snippet that's designed to display the form inside a web page. When the embed HTML window is open, click copy. This copies the entire embed code to your clipboard. You don't need to edit the code right now. Just make sure you capture the whole thing so it works correctly when you paste it. Finally, open your hosting a website builder and paste the code. Go to the page where you want the form to appear and add an element that accepts custom code, often labeled as an embed or HTML widget. Click into that element and paste the code you copied from Google Forms. You should see the form appear in the builder's preview area. If your builder allows it, you can resize the block or adjust spacing to make it fit nicely with your layout. The embed typically includes width and height settings, so feel free to match those to your section design if needed. Save your changes and make sure the preview looks good across devices so visitors can complete and submit the form smoothly. That's it. You went to Google Forms, selected your form, opened the options menu, chose embed HTML, copied the code, and pasted it into your hosting a website builder. With these steps, your Google form is now part of your site experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.